Hey guys, Justin here of Figatech. And let's be honest, on their own, conventional TVs don't look all that special. Don't get me wrong, they can be mesmerizing because of screen size and resolution and HDR and all that, but the TV itself just looks like a black rectangle in the middle of the room. But one category of TVs looks to stray away from this. I'm talking about the lifestyle TV category. And a really cool one is this Samsung's The Serif. While it puts aesthetics in the driver's seat and is a very classy piece that would suit any modern home, technology is still at the forefront. Let's check it out! The Serif comes in two sizes, 43 inches and the one we have here which is 55-inch. If we were to describe the design, it almost looks like a sculpture that would look right at home at an art gallery or a designer piece at a boutique. It was designed by Ronan and Erwan Bourelec, world-renowned French designers whose work was received much acclaim and many awards. When designing the Serif, their major goal was to make it effortlessly blend into the ambience and really blend in with your other home decor rather than stick out as a conventional TV would. If you look from the side, the TV is shaped like a serif eye, which explains where it gets its name. The eye shape is both aesthetically pleasing and functional. The wider top bezel can act like a shelf where you can place accent pieces, and its base can balance the TV without the floor stands for more versatility. Needless to say, the Serif looks great from any angle. You could prop it up on a TV rack like normal or also opt to use the detachable floor stand that's included in the box. Personally, I love the floor stand as it really adds to the whole design piece feel of the Serif. Aside from aesthetics, the Serif is a solid TV given that this is Samsung we're talking about. The panel uses QLED technology which delivers a brighter image while being more power efficient and not prone to screen burn-in compared to OLED panels. Aside from brightness though, the quantum dot technology also shows off a billion colors, ensuring that vibrant images don't lose their touch. Of course, the resolution is at 4K, so you'll be able to appreciate the sharpness of high-res content. But there's also an AI upscaling feature available, so if your content isn't in 4K, the Serif's AI upscaling feature can enhance it to look sharper. And let's not forget that the Serif is also a smart TV and uses Tizen OS per usual Samsung. This pretty much allows you to not have anything else plugged into the TV, as you can get access to the usual content apps you need like Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime, and others. You can also use your smartphone for screen mirroring or casting music and videos to the Serif, which is a standard feature for smart TVs at this point. But what makes it that much more special for the Serif is that even this is integrated into the overall design. The TV's top shelf has a spot for NFC connection too, so all you need to do if you want to pair up your phone is place it on top and instantly pair. And the last functional feature I want to show you guys is also actually connected to the design. I'm talking about ambient mode. In essence, it's like a standby mode or screensaver mode where the TV displays an image or something when not in use. The way this works into their design philosophy is that it replaces the TV's typical black void when it's off with something a little more pleasant to look at. It livens up your surroundings with a curated selection of different colors and moods, and even syncs with your Samsung account to display useful information like the weather and your personal schedule. When all is said and done, we think Samsung's The Serif definitely speaks for itself with its design and technology. It is a TV and will be used for watching content, but at the same time, it's more than that. With an aesthetic created by two of the world's best designers and display technology by an industry giant, it really is the classy piece that every modern home needs. And that about wraps it up for this video. Let us know what you think about the Serif in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.